Yun lang sir, just your assessment. Ilang boxers na lang natin yung hindi nakakalaban. Just your assessment so far sa performance ng ating mga boxers.
Yeah, they're doing well naman. Wala pa naman tayo masasabing performance na na talagang something that you cannot be proud of, so far. But obviously there are just results that are not going our way, no? So ang pinaka masakit na ito kay Nesty kasi di bali sana kung aggressive yung Indonesia in the last round or if she was throwing accurate punches that were landing, pero in terms of volume, in terms of accuracy, pareho kay Nesty. So parang walang basis talaga para ibigay yung round dun sa Indonesia, lalo na 4-1 pa yung score in the last round. So even the Thai officials couldn't believe the result. Reportedly, even the Indonesian sports minister was surprised with the result, but unfortunately, that's how it is in boxing. There's no bout review here. There's no protest. The technical delegate doesn't want to speak to me, but I'll chase him up tomorrow. So yun, it's just quite frustrating the past few bouts. No? Kasi even yesterday, yung kay Hergy, okay lang naman kung talo, no? Kasi I think si Nesty, si Hergy, they're not at their best physically kasi shorter yung preparation nila. But during those bouts, parang they did enough to win. And siguro yung manner of losing lang din. Like for Hergy, binigyan siya ng dalawang standing 8 count ng second and third round after winning the first round. Binigyan pa si Hergy ng deduction ng the last round. Si Ogaire, ganun din. I felt like it was a clear win in the first round. Talo pa, 2-3. So nabago yung diskarte, nasira yung diskarte, di ba? So ngayon, kailangan niya mag-adjust, pero hindi naman siya dapat mag-adjust kasi he was supposed to be winning the fight. So yung mga ganong decisions kasi, ang laki ng impact dun sa magiging overall approach mo sa bout. And okay, Nesty, very surprising kasi I thought the last round was very clear sa atin. I wasn't even worried about the result. Nag-expect na lang ako na sa atin talaga unanimous, pero naging 3-2 split pa for the Indonesia. So ayun, hindi naman bago ito sa boxing, unfortunately, no? But part of the things that you have to deal with, pero the sport really has to be better in terms of integrity. Otherwise, baka we don't really deserve to be in the Olympics beyond 2028 kasi hindi natin mapakita sa mundo na may integrity tayo when it comes to refereeing and judging.
So for the record sir, trinay nating lapitan yung technical committee for
pero kasi
explanation.
ongoing pa rin yung bout, so I would understand why he doesn't want to speak to me at this point. No? But I'll try to chase him up tomorrow. I'll try to get a clip also of the third round just to send them and just ask, even if there's no chance to overturn the bout, at least tingnan nyo lang, di ba, kung ano yung nangyayari, diba? Just for them to be aware if they're not yet. So ayun, yun lang naman ang pwede natin magawa kasi wala yung results, hindi naman na-overturn, walang bout review there's no protest, so walang way talaga to challenge it.
Sir, parang sa mga boxers natin, meron tayong mga lumaban against host team, lahat sila natalo. Pero si Mark, meron siyang chance to get one against the host team. So how optimistic we are heading into that fight?
Si Fajardo, Mark Ashley Fajardo. Yeah, it's not gonna be an easy fight kasi yung Thai is an Olympian also. It's para superstar din nila dito yun, si Bunjo. And he's fighting at a distance. So most likely hindi makikipagsabayan kay Ashley yan. Tatakbo yan. So it's not gonna be easy for Ashley, pero ang way lang talaga kailangan mabilangan o if hindi man knockout, yun talaga ang chance natin to win. And Ashley knows that. And so, yun yung tatry natin gawin. So talaga, he's gonna put the pressure on the thigh. And then, if the opportunity comes, kung bumukas, talagang Ashley has the power to make it happen. Pero, ayan, it's not gonna be easy. Hindi madali. Kasi 3 rounds lang naman to eh. So, you know, but you know, Ashley naman is very determined to go up against the thigh.
Sir, last question na lang po sa akin. Sila Yumir, sila pa yung lalaban sa mga susunod na araw. Given kung nakita nyo po yung mga kung paano tumatakbo yung mga bouts natin from the previous day, anong expectations natin para sa kanila?
They've been watching also and already incorporating sa training yung mga tricks in the back that they are seeing, yung mga holding, yung ulo. So, inaaral na nila yan, ina-incorporate na nila sa training. And they are very much aware that they have to go for the knockout.